My name is Tori-jay Mordey, and this is my Enoggera Reservoir mural, and it is one of my favorite murals I've done so far. My mural is right next to the car rentals at the domestic terminal. The inspiration for this mural was the Enoggera Reservoir. That is a place I go to a lot with friends. I swim there all the time. It's a very peaceful area and I love it for its nature, and I thought it'd be perfect to kind of feature that here at the airport as something peaceful to look at and go past while the stress of life is kind of kicking around. I want to feature a lot of things that you would see there, so I incorporated a lot of these lily pads in there, which were references from the reservoir. I've got a little bit of the protective yellow float they have in the lake there. It's like a little barrier for people to swim in, but you can swim outside of it if you want to. But I've got the floaties there, a lot of the kind of trees and like natural landscape. And then the main figure was just a character I just designed, a female First Nation woman in the water enjoying it. And then around the side, there's one of the water birds as well from the reservoir. I hope when people do see this mural that they kind of feel a sense of relief and get like real connected with nature and that. But also in general, I hope it inspires people to be creative and to branch out and paint and pick up a brush. Overall, I hope it brings some peace and some color into their lives.